K11 Dual Light Gimbal Camera Series Tutorial, Power on Self-Test and GimbalStudio Feature Walkthrough. In the box includes K11 Dual Light Gimbal Camera, Anti-Vibration Kit, Power and Data Cable, Mounting Screws, Aluminum Standoffs. Before we begin, please prepare the following tools: a Windows PC and a regulated DC power supply. First step, connect the power. Note, K11 recommended voltage is 12V 18V. Excessive voltage or reverse polarity will damage the device. Connect red to positive and black to negative. Confirm the wiring, then plug the power cable into the rear of the gimbal. Once powered on, the gimbal will start its self-check automatically. Each axis will rotate in turn before final centering. Once the gimbal is completely still and remains level, the self-test is successful and the system has started normally. Next, connect the K11 to the PC via network cable. First, set up your computer's IP address as shown. Open the official software, switch the language to English, and select K11 as the gimbal model. K11 Live Video Preview is now visible. Users can select either a serial port or UDP connection mode based on actual requirements. For this video, we will focus on the UDP connection. Turn on the UDP switch, and you can now use the software to experience all the gimbal's features. Gimbal settings. The on-screen control buttons allow you to manage the gimbal's speed, angle, and optical zoom. Camera settings. You can also configure advanced video parameters, such as the video bitrate, RTSP resolution, and video encoding format. If you are using SPUS to control the gimbal camera, you can configure the channel settings here. Once the channels are set, click Right to apply and save the configuration. Click Read to retrieve the current mapping status. IP settings. You can configure the IP address based on your specific needs. To use tracking, select the desired detection model before enabling the tracking mode. That concludes our basic power-up and software feature overview for the K11. For more detailed parameter configurations, feel free to contact HEQUAV official customer service. We are committed to providing you with full technical support.